Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, let's begin. In order to log out of Pinterest, let me show you first by logging in. Since I'm not logged into my Pinterest account, tap open your Pinterest application, or you can go visit your web browser and search for Pinterest as well. Now, start by entering your email address that is associated with Pinterest. After you are done, tap on the Continue button in red, and on the next page, enter a valid password that is associated with your Pinterest account and tap on Login in order to log into your account. So after you do that, you'll be logged into your account without any kind of delay. This is your home screen of Pinterest. Now let me show you how you can quickly log out of your Pinterest account. Go to the Saved button at the bottom right corner. You can see it right here. Once you do that, you'll end up in your profile. From your profile, go and tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner, and at the bottom of the screen, from your settings page, you'll be able to see Log Out option. Under Actions, tap on Log Out, and just like that, you have quickly logged out of your Pinterest account without any kind of delay. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.